How are you guys? Welcome to my channel. This is Favored Girl. I am known on YouTube as Favored Girl, and on Facebook I am known as Favored Anoruo. On Instagram I am known as Awish85. So I want to welcome you guys to my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. For those who haven't subscribed yet, I am please begging you to subscribe to my channel. Help me to grow my channel. Help me to grow. God will bless you if you do so. Just help. Support your girl, please. Support your girl. Press that subscribe button. Tomorrow it's you. Today it's me. We help each other as we continue growing. Yeah? So guys, I have so many stories to give you. First of all, the first thing I would like to talk to you guys about is I recently traveled to Kenya. I traveled to Kenya 2 weeks ago. So I just want to help 1 or 2 people out there who could be planning to travel to Kenya soon during this COVID-19 period. It's really not easy to travel. And if you don't have the right information, you could really mess up. You could really end up using so much money or even canceling a ticket or whatever. So I am here to give you the information and whatever I experienced at first hand. It's always nice to hear it from the horse's mouth, from the people who have experienced traveling during this COVID-19 period, from their mouth, instead of reading it somewhere and you don't know whether the information is actual or not. So guys, traveling to Kenya during this COVID-19 period, at the moment, if you're traveling from Germany, I can only talk about people traveling from Germany because that's where I live and that's the experience I have. I don't know about people traveling from USA or from UK or from which other countries. I don't know which requirements they need for traveling to Kenya. As for now, I can only speak about people staying in Germany who want to travel to Kenya. So, as per now, the requirements that you need to travel to Kenya from Germany, first of all, after booking your ticket, you need to, if you don't have a Kenyan citizenship, after booking your ticket, the first thing you need to do 3 months prior to your travel, it's better to start early because you have so much paperwork ahead. If you have time, just book your visa, your online visa. 3 months. It is valuable as from 3 months prior to your travel. Okay, so just book your visa. You need an online visa because Kenya no longer accepts visa on. They no longer stamp for you visa on arrival as from I think January or February 2021. Everybody that arrives Kenya should book the visa online. You need an e-visa, okay? So guys, for you to apply for an e-visa, you need to register with the website called eCitizen. Just Google eCitizen, it will come up. I think it's www.ecitizen.go.co.ke or something like that. Just Google eCitizen, it will come up. I'm not very sure of all the details, but that is what I know. It is eCitizen. Please be careful of scammers out there. There are so many websites that scam people who want to apply for the e-visa. I almost became a victim of them. So the correct site that registers for an e-visa is eCitizen. Only eCitizen, not any other. Or to be on the safe side, just go to the German embassy website and follow the directions there. They have written it in red, ecitizen.co.ke, something like that. I'm not very sure of the ending alphabets, but that is the website you should follow, okay? Don't follow any other website. You will fall in the hand of scammers. I almost became a victim. The only part where I noticed these are scammers is when they were asking me for so much money than what I know, because normally Kenya's visa cannot be more than $50. So this ones were asking me for $100 and something. That's when I realized these are scammers. And when I went back to the website to the German embassy website and checked it very well, that's when I realized that I was supposed to go through the eCitizen website and not the other website. I can't remember how it was called. I'm sorry. I wish I had written down the name to help you guys not to lose your money through all these scammers online. There are so many. Okay? So guys, that's the first information. You need to register for your e-visa. Before you do that, register on this website. Register an account with them. You must have an account with them. Just follow the instructions. Yeah. After you register an account with them, then they will guide you through how to register your visa. It is not hard, though the questions could be very straining. There are so many, let me just say, stupid questions, yeah. But just be patient and go through all of them. So before you start applying for the visa, make sure you have all the documents at hand, okay? Because you don't want a scenario where you go back and forth. Once you log out, once you go back out of the visa processing formula, once you go out of the process, you could be forced to start again and answer the questions again, and the questions, they're not so pleasant, okay? So make sure you have everything saved in your data on your phone. Make sure you, first of all, you have your passport photo saved on your phone, ready to upload. You have an invitation letter ready to upload. This invitation letter must be written by one of your relatives who is inviting you. Just get a sister or a brother or anybody or a friend to write for you an invitation letter stating the dates you'll be in Kenya, up to which dates you'll be in Kenya. Upload this letter, photograph it, upload it on your photo or on your camera, okay? On your phone, ready for upload. Another thing you need to have ready is the ID of the person inviting you. That person should send you his or her ID, the front page and the back page. Photograph it, or the person sends you a snapshot, screenshot. You save it on your phone, and you are ready. When you reach that step, that you are ready to upload it without starting to log out and go back again. Because, my friend, you'll be forced to start from the beginning, and it will not be, it is a tiresome process. In my case, it was so tiresome because I was applying visa for 4 people, you understand? So at a point, I just almost gave up. But because we needed to travel, I had to do what I had to do. So guys, I'm trying to make your work easier. Make sure you have all these things, okay? So apart from the person inviting you, ID card, what else do you need to have ready? What else? I think that's all. So let me repeat again. Invitation letter from the person inviting you, the person's ID card front and back, and your passport photo. Please ensure that your passport photo is clear with a clear background. They want a photo with a white background, okay? So it is not just any photo you go and pick from your album. Make sure it is a nice passport photo, a professional passport photo with a white background. That is what they accept, okay? So because you don't want a scenario that you're denied a Kenyan visa, okay? It is very embarrassing as a Kenyan. A Kenyan man, a Kenyan woman denied a Kenyan visa. You don't want that scenario. So just make sure you follow all the steps. So after you apply for the visa, normally it takes 24 hours. If you apply your visa today, tomorrow it will be out. So the results, they don't send you through your email address. You have to check for your visa through the same portal. Okay? Through the eCitizen, you go to your account, and there you will see your visa. Whether it is still in process, it will show you visa is still in process. Or whether it has been... you have gotten the visa, they will show you the visa is there. So you have to just download it and save it, or print it out, or do whatever you want with it. But when the visa is out, it will be there, not in your email address. So don't waste your time going to the email address. They don't send it through the email address. So that is step number 1. We have finished with the visa. So You are not yet done, my dear friend. On the day of, let me say, 3 days before you travel, make sure you create a so-called QR code. So a QR code is like it is like the certificate that it is like a travel go ahead. In fact, it is the first thing they will ask you at the airport. Without the QR code, you cannot travel. It is the first thing they will ask you at the German airport before even they ask you for the coronavirus test, okay? So you must show them the QR code. A QR code is like, let me say, it's like the permit, exactly. It is the permit for you to travel to Kenya or to any other country. Because that through that QR code, when you're generating it, you have answered so many questions that show that you are in a good health state, that you are not sick, you are not coughing, your temperature is not above 37.5, this and this and this and that. You are not having flu. You have declared yourself as healthy to travel. Healthy and ready to travel without being a threat to other travelers, okay? So, when you generate this QR code, when you answer all the questions, you give them the email address, they will send you the results, or the QR code, they'll send it through your email address. So you can show it at the airport as in an electronic form, or you can print it out. In my case, I preferred to print it out because I didn't want a scenario whereby my phone has gone off, or maybe my phone has been stolen or whatever. Or in this, in this travel scenario, in this travel whatever, during COVID-19, it is so stressful. It is so easy to lose your phone. It is so easy to lose your documents. There are so many papers involved. So I didn't want a case whereby I am at the airport, they're asking me for my QR code and I don't have my phone, or my phone is off, or I don't have internet access. Yeah, though you have internet access at the airport, but it's better you print it out to be on the safe side, okay? So, that was said, QR code. Then you need a corona test, a PCR corona test, a negative one. So, if you are traveling on Friday, for example, you have to do your corona tests, let me say, on Wednesday morning, or let me say on Wednesday before it is afternoon. You can still do it the whole of Wednesday, but the time you do it will determine when your results will come out. In Germany, the results don't come out so fast compared to Kenya, okay? In Germany, most of the testing stations, their results come out after 30 hours. So you have to calculate 30 hours. In my case, where in my area, in my town, the results come out after 30 hours. So anything below 30 hours, you can't consider that. So you must count 30 hours before your results come out, okay? So in my case, we were traveling on Friday. We went to do the test on Wednesday in the evening at 4 o'clock because that's when my husband had time from work. And I was getting our results on Thursday midnight. That's when our results came online. Okay? So if you are afraid of any whatever, things can go wrong, internet, whatever, electronic, whatever, all these things anything can go wrong. To be on the safe side, just do the test. If you're traveling on Friday morning or on Friday, just do the test on Wednesday morning to be sure to get the results early enough. You understand? Because your results going to Kenya should not be older than 72 hours. When you're arriving, they should not be older than 72 hours, okay? Yeah. So if you are traveling, you should do your PCR test, your corona test, 3 days, Wednesday, Thursday, let me say 2 days, 2 days prior to your travel, 2 days to your travel. If you're traveling on Friday, you should do your corona test on Wednesday, okay? You know, exactly. You should do your test on Wednesday if traveling on Friday, okay? To be on the safe side. That way you will still be between this 72 hours range, even when you're arriving, okay? Yeah, so for the corona results, PCR test results, you must not have a hard copy. You should just have them, because it depends when they will come. In our case, they came on Thursday midnight, which was already, let me say, Friday morning, early hours, early hours of Friday past midnight. Yeah. So in that case, we didn't have time to print out anything. So when we were at the airport, we showed them the electronic results, which is okay if you have enough battery, if you have enough. Yeah, phone is easily accessible. It is not a problem, okay? So another thing that I forgot to tell you, that they will still tell you when you're applying for your Kenyan visa, your visa must be printed out in not in black and white, but in colored form. Your visa must be in colored form, okay? So, any other instructions you will be told on that website on what to do. But I just wanted to talk to you guys about what is happening at the moment, okay? It is not easy to travel. People don't know what is actual, what I am talking about now will not apply. Maybe in the next 2 weeks there's another rule. Every day there's a new rule coming out, so you must always be up to date. What is up to date? But the information I've given you right now, it is up to date. I have even confirmed it, because as for yesterday we had Mashujaa Day in Kenya, and a lot of things changed. As of now in Kenya, there's no more what is it called, curfew. Curfew is over. Yeah. So if you're traveling to Kenya as from today, today is the 21st of October, the curfew is over, okay? So you can just go have fun. But be careful, yeah? Even as I'm talking to you right now, I don't know if I have corona or not. I'm yet to go to the doctor tomorrow to confirm, yeah? I have to go for confirmation tomorrow to do a PCR test to know whether I have corona or not, because I am not feeling well, my friends. I am not well at all, but we put everything in God's hands. It is well. It shall be well. Death is not our portion. Corona is not our portion. It shall be well in Jesus' name. So guys, my YouTube friends, that is all I wanted to talk to you about. Excuse me for talking faster, because I didn't want the video to go for so long. And also my children, as you can hear them from the background, they are really disturbing me, so, and I needed to do this video. Yeah, I really needed to do this video today. So excuse my children from the background, they're a bit loud, but I hope you can still hear me loud and clear. So guys, I will come up with another topic maybe tomorrow. I need to be active on YouTube. I need to grow my YouTube channel, because I have so much to talk about, my dear friends. I have so much. I am a creative person. I am a cheerful person. I am me. I am Irene. I am favored. I am who I am. I have so much to share with you people. I can't even talk about everything today. So I will try tomorrow to come up with another topic. I have so many topics, I can't finish them today. So tomorrow I'll bring for you another topic. Be blessed, have a wonderful evening, and bye-bye. Have a nice time. Cheers.